The Ontario Dye Company, known as ODC, was founded in 1923 in Waterloo, Ontario by English blacksmith Sam Levine. The company produced cutting dyes for multiple industries including rubber, leather, and footwear. The company has remained in the Levine family since its founding. The company saw great growth and moved to the corner of Roger and Moore in 1945. Continued success between 1950 and 1960 led to multiple expansions of the Waterloo-based factory. However, in the late 1990s, the demand was outpacing production, and with no further space for expansion in their current location, the company moved some of its production to the USA and moved their headquarters to Kitchener. The 80-year-old factory building was slowly phased out of use between 2017 and 2018, but instead of selling the 5 acres of incredibly valuable property, the Levine family partnered with Reed Heritage Developments and proposed a complete demolition of the factory, along with 7 homes owned by ODC that were being rented out bordering the property. The proposed plan in 2017 featured townhouses, stacked townhouses, and multiple apartment buildings with an approximate total of 300 units and up to 630 bedrooms, much to the dismay of local residents, who immediately began speaking out against the proposed zoning amendment. The lot came to a standstill as the company broke ground on a new factory in Waterloo. Members of the Architectural Conservancy of Ontario expressed concerns about the potential demolition of what could be a heritage building, as it was an important reminder of Waterloo's industrial roots. A plaque was suggested as a tribute, along with a singular wall from the original factory to be incorporated into a public space nearby. In 2019, City Council approved a proposal for 242 units, approximately 421 bedrooms, to be built on the site, prompting the demolition of the factory and the 7 nearby homes.